The super slow motion feature enables frame-by-frame analysis of the footage and performs 4x frame interpolation, allowing the camera to generate slow motion videos at up to 960 FPS. The feature is particularly suitable for showcasing stunning and exciting moments in high-speed sports scenes, such as cycling and skiing. Tap the playback button to preview the last photo or video captured or played back. When playing back a video, select a specific point and tap the Snell icon to generate a super slow motion video clip. Then the camera will start to generate super slow motion video clip. During the generating process, you can tap Preview to preview the super slow motion video clip. During the preview process, this clip will be looped until the clip is fully generated. At that time, a high-definition clip generation progress prompt will appear in the upper right corner. Once the super slow motion clip is generated, it will be played as a separate clip. To delete a super slow motion clip later, play back the clip and tap the delete icon in the upper right corner. Up to 6 super slow motion clips can be added to a single video. The first 1.5 seconds and the last 2 seconds of the video do not support generating super slow motion clips. After connecting the camera to the DJI Mimo app, you can play back super slow motion videos, as well as add or delete super slow motion clips. Super slow motion videos can also be downloaded to your mobile device with DJI Mimo.